Hi student, this is Kadirvel, Max teacher, grade 6.
Highest common factor HCF. Types of method: common factor method, prime factorization method, common division method. Question number 1. Find HCF of 18 and 60 by common factor method. So we have to find factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 30 and 60. Now we have to circle the common factor. 1, 2, 3 and 6. So common factor equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. We have to find HCF, that means highest common factor. Highest mean here biggest factor. So biggest factor is 6. Therefore HCF equal to 6. Now the same question, prime factorization method. So we have to do the L division separately. First 18. So 18 is even number. You can divide 2 table. So 9 2s are 18. 9 can divide 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Now 60 can divide 3 table 20 times. So 23s are 60. Then 20 can divide 2 table. 10 2s are 20. Then 10 can divide 2 table. 5 2s are 10. Now 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 60 equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So now we have to circle the common factor 3 and 2. Therefore HCF equal to the product of the common factor 2 into 3. So 2 3s are 6. Therefore HCF equal to 6. Same question we can do the third method, common division method. So join together we can do the common division. So 18 and 60 do the 2 table. So 9 2s are 18, 30 2s are 60. Now 9 and 30 can divide 3 table. So 3 3s are 9, 10 3s are 30. Now 3 and 10 is a co-prime number. So there is no common divisor. So therefore HCF of 18 and 60 equal to the side number. So 2 into 3 equal to 6. So HCF is 6. Next one. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers, 2 even numbers, 2 odd numbers? First one, a number. 2 consecutive numbers. Already we know consecutive mean continuous number. So 2 consecutive numbers here 15 and 16. We can do the L division separately. So 15 3 times. So 5 3s are 15. Then 5 table 1 time. Now 16 can divide 2 table 8. And 8 can divide 2 table 4. 4 can divide 2 table 2. And 2 is divided by 1. So 15 can be written 3 into 5 into 1. 16 can be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Here common is 1. So already we know 1 is the factor of all the numbers. So therefore HCF of 2 consecutive number is 1. Next, 2 even numbers. So we can take consecutive 2 even number 12 and 14. So do the L division separately. So 12, 2 table, 6 2s are 12, again 2, 3. So 3 can divide 1 time. Next 14, so 2 table, then 7 can divide 7 table 1 time. So 14, so 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 and 14 equal to 2 into 7. So here the common. So HCF is 2. So therefore HCF of 2 consecutive even number is 2. And third one, 2 odd numbers. The 2 odd numbers equal to 15 and 17. So do the L division. 15, 3 table, 5 3s are 15. Then 5 can divide 5 table 1 time. Then 17. 17 is a prime number. So 17 can divide 17 table only 1 time. So 15 equal to 3 into 5 into 1. And 17 equal to 17 into 1. So common factor is 1. So HCF also 1. So therefore HCF of 2 consecutive odd number is 1. Now Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 60 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can be measured the weight of the fertilizer exact number of time. So the 2 bags weight is 75 kg and 60 kg. We have to find maximum value of the weight. Now the solution. Weight of 2 bags 60 kg and 75 kg. So we have to find maximum value of the weight. So therefore the maximum value of weight is equal to HCF of 60 and 75. Now do the L division 60 and 75 separately. So 60 2 table 30 time and 30 2 table 15 time and 15 3 table 5 time. Then 75 5 table is 15 time, then 15 3 table 5 time. So 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 75 equal to 5 into 3 into 5. So here common 5 and 3. So HCF equal to 3 into 5. So 3 5s are 15. So therefore the maximum value of the weight equal to 15 kg.
Students, I give 5 questions for you. Do it yourself.